Just headed down to the Manton Car Show this morning with a couple of guys in Cruiser South. Go check her out. So we're just cruising in a little group down to Manton to the car show. It's funny that with George's truck being a little lower and mine being a little lifted, I'm like looking down on the paint on the roof of his truck, which is kind of funny to me. But anyway, yeah, it's a beautiful morning for a cruise. A little cold out, it's like 50-ish, and high of 70 today. So I think I seen a cartoon this morning that says it best. We're now into all the months that have burr in them. Pretty cool variety of vehicles here, from like old stuff to real new stuff. All kinds of neat things. Look at that. I don't see too many people using the Coyote and the old 3-window coupes. That's pretty rad. So much motor, you couldn't even keep it between the frame rails. That's awesome. So cool. Old Dodge truck is pretty cool. Like how simple and kind of plain they were, but still kind of classy looking. The dash. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat. I think Brett said it best. This is true rural America right here. Like, the whole street's just lined with people watching the parade. Got the local marching band. Yeah, tons of happy people, American flags. Man's doing it right.
there seeing
I am
it?
not
Talk
sure.
Cherry Lane into getting those.
Yeah, I want one of those drones to fly for work. The one that you could like lift
yeah.
that whole truck up with. That's pretty cool.
Looks like it's some kind of utility company.
And then their other vehicle there
it
is
says
pretty wild.
Wildlife and Wetlands.
That is cool.
Completely self-drive.
The NMC show is always a great little show. However, I had stuff going on and I wasn't able to hang out here very long, so I just took a few quick pictures, visited with a bunch of friends, and I had to make tracks out of there, unfortunately. Kind of a cold, crummy day, but this is always a good one to check out.